Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. Now, today we are going to start the third lesson for the unit number 1 of Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2. First of all, I'll give you the feedback for the homework that I gave you yesterday. And the homework was to complete the extended practice exercise. I'll read out the instructions for you and I'll read those instructions again for you. Look and complete the sentences. हमने इन जुमलों को देखना है, इनके इमेजेस को और देखकर कंप्लीट करना था. And the first example is already done for you. कल हमने इसको रीड आउट भी किया था. Without wasting any further time, I'll move on to the second sentence. And the second sentence, she does not write a letter. As you can clearly see that there is a cross on the picture of writing a letter. So I use the negative sentence. And she reads a book. और book के ऊपर जो कि टिक है तो वो positive का sentence बनेगा. Now, option number 3, they eat cone ice cream. आप देख सकते हैं कि cone ice cream के ऊपर टिक है, तो उसके लिए हमने पॉजिटिव का सेंटेंस यूज़ किया है. और कॉफ़ी के ऊपर क्रॉस है तो वी यूज़ अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस विच इज़ दे डू नॉट ड्रिंक कॉफ़ी. नाउ लुक एट द फोर्थ सेंटेंस, वॉच एंड प्ले. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, वॉच टेलीविज़न के ऊपर टिक है और प्ले के ऊपर क्रॉस है, तो हमारे सेंटेंसेस होंगे यू वॉच television, you do not play cricket. ऐसे ही sentence number 5, we have two verbs, cook इसके ऊपर क्रॉस है और teach के ऊपर maths teach कर रहा है, उसके ऊपर ठीक है. So we'll do the examples. I do not cook food, I teach maths. Now this example number 6, you can see that there is a tick on the school visit. They are going to school, there is a tick on it, picture, and cross on the library pic. So we'll do this in that way. We go to the school, we do not visit a library. I hope that you have done this exercise the same way, and if you have made any mistake, you will correct it and write it down clearly. Now it's time to move on to the next. Dear students, as you can clearly see that our next exercise is of learn to speak. But before moving to learn to speak, I just want you to read out the expressions, the phrases in the word bank segment. हम इन expressions को, इन phrases को read out करेंगे. इनको रीड आउट करना इसलिए कंपलसरी है. दीज फ्रेजेस विल हेल्प अस इन लर्न टू स्पीक एक्टिविटी. सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज वॉश द डिशेस, मॉप द फ्लोर, टेक अ बाथ, ईट सैंडविचेस, हेल्प द पुअर, वॉच टेलीविजन, वेस्ट टाइम, प्ले गेम्स, डू होमवर्क, वॉश क्लॉथ्स, ऑफर प्रेयर, recite the Holy Quran, visit a historical place, take a breakfast, cook food, go to school, go to the office, get ready, have a bath, wear a uniform. As we have already read the word bank words, now it's time to start the activity learn to speak. But before starting this activity, I have a suggestion for you to find a partner in order to conduct this activity effectively. आप एक पार्टनर को तलाश करेंगे. That partner may be your father, your mother, your brother or your sister. कोई भी आपका पार्टनर हो सकता है. चूँकि आपको पार्टनर चाहिए सवाल पूछने के लिए. जब आपका पार्टनर आपसे सवाल पूछेगा, he will ask you the questions and you will answer those questions. जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पे क्लियरली दिख रहा होगा, इस एक्टिविटी में वी हैव 4 स्टेटमेंट्स. हमारे पास 4 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. I'll demonstrate the answers of these statements for you and you will practice it with the partner at home. And the first statement is, tell 3 things that you do every day. The statement is, tell 3 things that you do every day. Dear students, we have to keep one thing in our mind, that answer will be in the simple present tense. चूँकि स्टेटमेंट भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में है तो हमारा आंसर भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में होगा. सो आई रिपीट द स्टेटमेंट अगेन फॉर यू. टेल 3 थिंग्स दैट यू डू एवरी डे एंड द पॉसिबल आंसर्स शुड बी, आई टेक अ बाथ एवरी डे, I do homework every day, I recite the Holy Quran every day. And the second statement is, tell 3 things that you do not do every day. हमारी सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है, tell 3 things that you do not do every day. चूँकि ये नेगेटिव में आंसर्स होंगे तो the possible answers should be, I do not eat sandwiches every day, I do not visit a park every day, I do not watch television every day. And the third statement is, tell 3 things that your mother does every day. हमने 3 चीज़ें बतानी हैं जो हमारी वालदा रोज़ाना करती हैं. And the possible answers should be, my mother mops the floor every day, my mother washes the clothes every day, my mother cooks food every day. Now it's time to come back on the fourth statement. Tell 3 things your father does on Sunday. अब यहाँ पे आपके फादर की रूटीन पूछी गई है and the possible answers should be, my father visits a market on Sunday, my father watches television on Sunday, my father plays football on Sunday. Dear students, I have demonstrated the possible answers of these 4 statements, but you will demonstrate it with the partner at home and you will practice it and you will give the answers while using simple present tense. Now dear students, it's time to move on to the next segment, which is ask and reply. As you can clearly see that there is a table in which we have short answers or short replies. ये जो ask and reply वाला segment होगा, इसमें हम questions पूछेंगे और इन questions के जो answers होते हैं वो हमेशा yes और no में होते हैं. First of all, we look at the structure of these questions. First we have do, I, we, you, they get up early. ये कुछ इस तरीके से होता है, do I get up early, do we get up early, do you get up early, do they get up early. और इसके जो possible answers हैं वो yes या no में होंगे. As you can see that yes I do, no I don't. The same is the case for the second option, does he she get up early. ये कुछ इस तरीके से होगा, does he get up early, does she get up early. And the possible answers should be yes he does, no he does not, या yes she does, no she does not. इन short replies को हम यहाँ पर demonstrate करेंगे and I'll demonstrate it for you. But for you need to find a partner again. जैसा कि आपने learn to speak activity के लिए partner को ढूंढा था, for this activity you will find a partner as well. The partner will ask you the questions and you will reply with yes or no answers. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. The first question is, do you study regularly? And the answer may be yes I do, no I don't. The second question is, do you speak English in school? And the possible answers are yes I do, no I don't. And the third question is, does your mother take care of you? And the answer is yes she does or no she does not. The fourth question is, does your father get to work daily? And the answer should be yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Question number 5, do you help your friends in their studies? And the possible answer is yes, I do, or no, I don't. Dear students, as you can clearly see that I have demonstrated all the answers of these 5 questions, but you will do it with a partner at home and you will practice it a lot. आप इसको अच्छे से practice करेंगे. And if you get an opportunity to practice it 3 or 4 times, and it will strengthen your structure as well. Now it's time to move on to the homework segment. And the homework segment is learn to write segment. हमारा जो learn to write का segment है ये हमारा homework का segment होगा. And this homework will be done on your notebook. आप अपनी notebook पे एक अलहदा से एक segment बनाएंगे जहाँ पे आप applied grammar के compositional work को करेंगे. And the task is write 12 sentences on your Sunday routine. Dear students, जो काम आपने करना है that you have to write 12 sentences on your Sunday routine. ये आपके सामने एक खाका है उस होमवर्क का जिसको आपने अपनी नोटबुक पे करना है. जैसा कि आपको ऊपर दिखाई दे रहा होगा माय संडे रूटीन, आप ये हेडर देंगे एंड उसके नीचे यू विल राइट 12 सेंटेंसेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ पैराग्राफ. आप 12 जुमले लिखेंगे पैराग्राफ की शक्ल में जिसमें आप अपनी संडे रूटीन की बात करेंगे. इस पैराग्राफ में मैंने अपनी संडे रूटीन की बात की है, बट जब आप अपनी रूटीन लिखेंगे तो आप अपनी बात करेंगे और आप उसको नोटबुक पे ऐसे ही लेकर आएंगे. आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द टास्क एंड यू विल डू इट appropriately. It's time to say Allah Hafiz, Assalamu Alaikum, and Inshallah Ta'ala we'll meet together again for the next unit of Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2.